Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, so this is the first of its kind. I've never done a bridal makeup tutorial or hair here on this channel, so this is the first one. I hope you guys enjoy it and you're able to learn a thing or two. So I'm just showing you guys a quick bridal hair. I think I'm going to be wrapping the hair at the back using some bobby pins, but first I will have to secure that in a ponytail first, and I'm using a rubber band and a bobby pin, and I'm just going to tie this around the hair. And once I'm done, I'm going to get a little piece of the hair to cover up the rubber band so it doesn't become obvious, and that's what I have right there. Alright, so now I'm already wrapping the hair in this hair padding. I got this one, I think about 1,200 naira. I had to cut it into two halves because it was really big, and I already pinned the hair. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't show you how I did this. I thought my phone was recording, but obviously it was low on storage space, and so I lost that footage. So this is everything, and now time to do the makeup. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, if you like it. All right, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like me to do a detailed bridal hair tutorial for you guys. And yeah, now I'm just grooming her brows in shape so that I can draw the brows properly. But the first thing I'm doing is to cleanse her face from any oil and dirt and all of that stuff. The next thing I'm doing is to apply the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel to moisturize her skin, and I'm going to let that sit for a minute. Then I went ahead to get my Mehron skin prep. This stuff is supposed to control oil, and if you know you're a bride or you're a makeup artist and you're supposed to get a bride ready, you definitely need this in your kit. This is my first time trying it, and I loved how matte and how dry it is. And throughout this makeup tutorial she didn't sweat at all, especially on those areas where I applied the product. But I will also do a detailed video reviewing that product for you guys. So yeah, now I'm just I went ahead to apply foundation, contour and the highlights together on the face, so I don't waste a lot of time, so I'm just blending everything together. And right after this I went off camera to set her face with my favorite RCMA no color setting powder. And if you haven't seen my last video, you click on this link up here. I used the RCMA no color setting powder to create I was teaching you guys how to make your makeup last using powder. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely click on the link above and watch that. Alright, so now I'm using the Juvias Afrique eyeshadow palette. I'm picking up that very soft brown shade, and I'm just going to pack it on her lid and blend any harsh lines out. And right after this I went in with my Zickel setting spray. I sprayed a little bit on my brush. Now I'm using it to pick up that very beautiful gold color, and I'm going to apply it directly on her lid. I really love this color, like it's so beautiful. Look at that, like it melted into her skin, into her lid rather, completely. And right after this I went with a brush to sort of blend those edges so that everything be looking smooth and perfect. Yeah. And after that I went into my Juvias Place Nubian eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking that black shade. I'm just going to sort of like smoke out the outer corners of the eye just a little bit, but then I'll blend everything out. The key to eyeshadow, you guys, is blending. And I also have a detailed eyeshadow makeup tutorial on this channel. If you want to know how to apply eyeshadow perfectly, there's a link above here right now. If you click on that, you'll be able to watch it. Yes guys, I have a lot of videos for you guys. Alright, so what I'm doing now is to apply the benign glitter glue, and I'm using this glitter from I can't remember what it's called, but I'll definitely leave everything down below in my description box, so definitely check that out. And I like to use my hands to apply this because I just like how it feels and it looks beautiful. Moving on to lashes. These lashes are from Wynkklashes. I also don't know what they are called. Check my description box for the name. And yeah, now I'm setting everything with my badescu facial spray, you know, to get her skin looking like skin again. And yeah. You guys, please leave me a comment down below if you like what you see already, and if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up, okay? And yeah, so next thing is to highlight, and I'm using my two favorite highlighters in the world. First is the Yangabeauty and the Marsad you know, loose highlighter. So I mixed two of them together, and now I'm just putting it on the high points of her face so she can be looking like a fine girl, you know. And as you guys can see, the look is coming together. My bride is looking so flawless, so beautiful, like oh my god. And I'm going to have we took some really bomb-ass pictures, and they are going to be on Instagram, so you have to follow me right now on Instagram so you can see those pictures. I will leave my handle on the screen for you guys. Alright, so this is basically everything. Let me know down below in the comment section if you love this look, if you like the hair, the makeup, the skin work, everything. Let me know in the comment section. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.